it's not gonna hit the other one.
I know that.
If it's collateral damage, that's just even better. Come on here. Yeah, seems gonna. Got a phone in my mouth right now. What's a little corn on this thing? Oh no. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. Just. Oh. I don't know how. I was gonna find some that thing. There's a little plastic on it. Of course there is. This is back to what we were doing, but without the phone in my mouth. Never mind, I need to put the phone back in my mouth. Warning me, we soak what off to use. Rather than I went out of my fucking shit. Oh, kitty, kitty, kitty. Oh. Oh. She knows. No, I don't need any help. Wait a minute. Oh, come on. I can put the ball in my mouth. Calm down. Now, don't you dare spark me again. Or else I am going to file charges. Boop. Oops, I only sealed it. Yep. There it goes. And I would say like this day can up. Nope. I'm down tomorrow, don't pull out mine. I think that's the last little bit of gunpowder left in that one. There is some left. No. You know, I think that would have ignited the other one. You know, just a feeling. Sure?
Yeah. I need my phone.